So, ang derivative ani nga function based ani nga formula, this is power rule, is 5. Put 5 here. Then copy x. 5 minus 1, so 4. Plus, copy 5. 4, itapad sa x. Or itapad sa 5. Copy x. 4 minus 1, that's 3. Minus copy 10. 2, i-multiply diri sa 10. Copy x. 2 minus 1 is 1. Derivative of a constant is 0. So, wala na siya ibutang nato diha. So, pag-simplify ana karon is, pero nga itong final answer is 5x to the fourth plus 20x cubed minus 20x. Or you can factor what is similar or common, which is 5x. Kung i-factor nato na, mahimong x cubed, kuhaan natong isa ka x, plus, divide natong 5, that's 4, divided by x, that's x squared, minus 20 divided by 5, that's 4, divided by x is 1, so only 4.